Hey guys, Greg with Plan and Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now today's topic is on how to create a wealth mindset. But before we get into that, if you guys have never been to this channel, go ahead and please subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this video with people who you feel may find benefit, and then comment below and let me know your thoughts. What I do on this channel is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, and those areas are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of those areas on this planet, we would live in peace, harmony, abolish slavery, hunger, famine, disease, and live happy, healthy, wealthy together on this entire planet, be able to enjoy it together, not have conflict between races and religion. We just will live in harmony and be able to enjoy the foods, cultures, in this entire planet, because it's big enough for all of us to live wherever we want, and why not do so? Okay? So, today's topic again is how to create a wealth mindset. This is something that's very key, guys. I really love this topic because that's one of the things that most people struggle with. Again, a lot of people, again, if you grew up kind of in poverty or poor or even middle class, you have typically a different way of thinking about wealth versus somebody who has maybe went from poverty to success. Like somebody who's, and I'm referring to the holistic successful people, not people just with money and they're flashing around, they're rich. I mean true holistic wealth, like mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, socially, like a balance of all of those areas. So this is what I'm focused on when I say wealthy people, okay? Not the ones who were maybe born into, you know, a rich household and they got everything that they want, where they're ungrateful and they're disrespectful and they just don't care and they just get everything that they want, so they don't have that true wealthy type of balance. I'm going to exclude those people for this video, but if you guys want to cover that, we can in a later video. But again, just remember, holistic wealthy people, typically, so if you grew up in a poverty type of environment or average, you typically have the wrong mindset regarding wealth, because I actually thought this as well, that all wealthy people are crooks, they're evil, the way they got their money was through scamming and doing wrong to people, and that, you know, you shouldn't want to be wealthy, you should be happy where you are, you should be content. Money is the root of all evil. All that, I used to think all that stuff too. So that's typically what you're taught. So you kind of get in this mindset to where, oh, I shouldn't be wealthy, I should be happy what I want, and have like it. To me, that's like an excuse to not pursue greatness and to not challenge yourself to get to where you want. Because I truly believe that we're meant to be wealthy. I believe God wants us to be wealthy. Again, holistically wealthy, and again, not just referring to money, but it does say in the Bible, the love of money is the root of all evil. Not the, you know, money is not the root of the love of money is the root of all evil. Not money is the root of all evil, the love of it. So if you just love money, like treat it like it's a living, breathing thing, and then yeah, when you love money, then yes, those are typically the corrupt people, the people who try to make a quick buck, get rich quick type thing. Those are, to me, that's what that means. But if you treat money as a tool to actually, what it does is, money doesn't make you happy, but money gives you the options, and those options actually make you happy. So think about that, guys. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below, like yes or no. But again, you have a wealthy mindset. It's about creating abundance, about getting every topic that we covered so far is, again, having a wealthy mindset, getting out of your comfort zone, doing things that you don't want to do, but it's for the betterment of mankind or your family. Again, not think about yourself and me and I, but think about the people around you that you can bless and help, and future generations not yet born. Think about the money, you know, when you acquire money and wealth, you can actually donate it to people or charities or organizations that actually can use it and benefit, and just think about the good you can do with that. And also on your journey to financial freedom or having wealth, typically, again, when you're on that holistic journey, you become a way better person than you were when you were poor, to be honest. And a lot of times people in that poverty mindset, they don't donate things to other people because they don't have money, they don't try, they don't learn, they just kind of sit on the couch, watch TV. Again, I'm not saying this is what everybody does that's poor or lower middle class, again, so I'm not trying to offend anyone. But what I'm saying, again, just like when you look at it generally speaking, a lot of people, because again, I'm speaking from firsthand experience, when, again, grew up poor, kind of in that poverty type of environment, and the people around me that I would observe, or even just hanging out with people typically just come home from work, complain that they hate their job, they don't get paid enough, and they just watch TV, but not do anything about it, just complain. And then the other people who went from here to over here, right, from poverty to wealth, they were in the same situation, they hated their jobs, maybe they did start off with complaining, but then something switched in their mind where they got unplugged from the matrix, and they said, well, I have control over my destiny. I have to do the work and the steps to get me over here. So they decided to, you know what, when I sit around you guys, you're all negative, you only watch TV, you do drugs, you drink, whatever it is. So they have to make the choice to get out of that environment and start to surround themselves around other people who are more aligned with what they want in life. So when they kind of do that, they change their mindset, and then instead of watching TV, they read books, they educate themselves, and then they migrate over here to wealth. And then they appreciate it and they understand it. So then they try to go help other people, you know, each one teach one, that were over here, and try to get them to change their mindset. And see, a lot of times some people are so deeply plugged into the matrix that they will fight to keep that system active, and they complain or are negative, and they don't want to unplug, they just want to complain. And those people you have to kind of leave alone, let them, hopefully one day they have to unplug themselves from the matrix. You could just provide them the door or the water, but they have to open it and they have to drink the water. But you could make them aware that, hey, this door is right here. I'm gonna open it for you, do it, but you have to walk through it. So I'm trying to help you, inspire you to walk through that door. Or, you know, this water is nutritious, it will replenish you. I know you're dehydrated and complaining about being thirsty. I have water's right here, but you're not drinking it. So that's, so yeah, guys, so what you want to do is actually just, again, you have to do the work in order to be successful and migrate from a life that you don't want to the life that you do want. So again, having a better wealthy mindset is, again, surround yourself around people who are smarter than you, who have the things that you want in life. And again, just pick their brain, ask them a few questions like, how did you do this? What are the habits that you developed to be able to get you to where you want to be? Again, start, instead of watching TV or doing things or wasting money, save your money, stop buying Starbucks every day or going out to happy hour. Use that money and allocate it to other things, education, workshops, to where you can actually learn. Again, start to read more. Reading is powerful. Read more books, like audiobooks, regular books, a podcast, just around topics that you want to learn to actually help you propel to get the life that you want. So again, you have to make the effort to actually change in order to be able to get what you want, because again, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. If you're in this environment complaining about the job you want, the money, you don't make enough money, all that stuff, but you just complain about it, doing the same thing over and over is not going to get you out of the situation. So you have to change habits and go to a different arena, you know, get in your car, drive from this arena to this arena in order to experience how great and different it is. So hopefully that made sense to you guys. Again, if you guys still need help with, again, creating the right mindset and manifesting what you want, go ahead and click on the description below. I have a couple of resources for you guys. I'll ask you to enter your email address. That will give you access to videos, some massive discounts. Go ahead and watch the videos and look at those discounts and check it out. Also, what I want to do is leave you guys with a quote for today. And this quote is from Sylvia Plath. And she says, "I have the choice of being constantly active and happy, or introspectively passive and sad. Or I can go mad by ricocheting in between." What do you guys think that means? I'll repeat it one more time. I have the choice of being constantly active and happy, or introspectively passive and sad. Or I can go mad by ricocheting in between. Okay, what I believe that she's saying, again, is that you have a choice. Either can be a half or a half not, like Earl Nightingale said. Either do or you won't do. So you either have to choose to be happy or be sad. You have to choose that it's a cup half full or half empty. You have to make that choice. Or if you try to say it's half full and half empty at the same time, that doesn't work. You have to pick one. Again, it's the yin-yang balance. Light, dark, cold, hot, sun, moon, night, day. Again, you have to pick that balance. You have to pick one or the other. You can't really ricochet in between when it comes to the mindset. You have to, is it half full or half empty? And then you have to go towards that. Because if you are negative, you're going to be more half empty. If you're positive, you're more half full. So you have to make the choice in which thought and mindset that you have. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you feel the same way. Again, if you guys like these videos, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, please share, please comment. And let me know your thoughts, okay? Well, Greg, we're playing in Green Zen. Hope you guys have a great day.